Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Okay, so I have a comment from MXV, and it says, first of all, it would be cool for you to include the code so we don't have to type all that. First of all, yeah, typing makes you a better programmer because you will learn from your mistakes and learn how to debug it. I can post the GitHub repository in the link description, so you have access to the new configured one. I'm going to do a new video as you suggest here, and I'll try to do my best to explain everything and everything you can do with it, and you're going to see what's going on with this, okay? So let's get started. So I'll open Xcode first, and I'm going to create a new Xcode project, and I'm going to create the new framework, and I'm going to say this your project name. So this name is your project name, whatever name it is. So every time you see your project name, you'll have to you'll change it here, okay? So I'll click next, and I'm going to select create Git repository on my Mac. You will have to have your GitHub account connected in order for this next thing to work. So I'm going to click on this second icon, and I'm going to right click here, and I'm going to say create your project name remote. And this is looking for my GitHub account. It's already connected. You will have to connect your Xcode with your GitHub account in order for this to work, and then just you do create. Okay, this will create and push my repository there. So in order to test that, I'm going to see that on my GitHub account that I have your project name created. Okay, so you see it's 11 seconds ago and has one commit. Okay, that's the initial commit. That's perfect. Now after that, I'm going to go to my TravisCI.org. I'm already logged in with GitHub. You'll have to log in yours too. And I'll go to settings here, and I'm going to click sync account. This will sync all my repositories on my GitHub account with with TravisCI. So after this finishes, you can see that your project name is here, and I'm just going to enable it. Okay, so now every change I place here will go into here. Okay, now after that, I'm going to go to this first icon and go to my tests. Since I want to write a test for TravisCI, I'm going to erase all of this, things that I don't need. I'm going to say test TravisCI always succeeds. Okay, and I'm going to do an assert xct assert 2 equals 2. So that will always work. I'm pressing Command U so I can see my test is passing, and that's it. Now after that, I'm going to open my terminal, Command space. I'm going to type in terminal, and then I'm going to drag and drop, or I'll type in cd, and I'm going to drag and drop this directory here and press enter. Now if I press ls, you see I don't have the your project name .xcode proj. I want that one. The thing is, I'm inside this directory. Okay, I want to go one directory up, so I'm going to type cd and 2 dots here, then I'll press ls, and you see your project name .xcode projects here. So I want to be in this directory, the one you have your project name .xcode project. Okay, then I'm going to type touch dot Travis.YML. Okay, and my Travis.YML file should be created now. Now what I can do to open this in the Finder, I can type open and a dot, and this will open my directory in my Finder file. If you don't see your .travis.yml, it's because it's a hidden file. To hide and unhide files, you just press Command Shift dot. As you can see, when I pressed Command Shift dot, my .travis.yml file disappeared. It's just because this is a hidden file, and I just hit it again. To unhide those files, just press Command Shift dot again, and you'll see it again. Okay, then I'm going to open it with Sublime Text or with other editor you want to do, and after that I'm going to say OS is going to be OSX, OSX image is going to be Xcode 11.3, language is going to be Swift, and then my script is going to be Xcode build. What I want to do is I want to clean, then I want to build my solution, then I want to test it. Okay, so Xcode build, clean, build, test, then dash project. Now here you are going to put your project name dot Xcode proj, as you have it over here. Since we're in the same directory, we can just put it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to write scheme, and the name of your scheme is this one, the one you see here. So it says your project name. Okay, then I'm going to type code sign identity equals none. Okay, make sure you type in correctly, code sign identity is none, then code sign in required equals no, and this should be working. Okay, so I'm going to copy before you try to commit this and see if it works on TravisCI, I suggest you copy this, and on your terminal where you have your directory, paste it and see if it works. Okay, right now I'm having an error, and I think this is because the Xcode 11.4 has something to do with it. I don't know why, but this is an easy fix. See, if you're having this error that says scheme, your project name is not currently configured for the test action, I found that a simple way you can do this is you edit your scheme, you click the share button, you unclick it, you close it, and then I'm using the up arrow to do the same exact procedure, pressing enter, and now you can see I'm building it. Okay, so that's it. Now this is my TravisCI, Command S, okay, and now I'm going to commit and push this. So I'm going to commit this TravisCI, make sure it has the code you want to do, so it's the project, your project name and everything. This I'm going to select this and select the user data, and of course also my tests. Okay, and I'm going to push it to the remote, and then I'm going to say set up TravisCI like that, commit for files and push, and then I gotta go to the TravisCI. Now to see my builds, I'm going to go to the dashboard, I'm going to go to my builds, and I'm going to press on this one here. As you can see, not the title, right? I didn't press here. I pressed the title, my name here, or your name repository, and here you will have your repository with your last build and everything like this. So here's your project name with your build history, and right now, if I click here, I'm going to see the logs with the builds. I can view my config. You can see it's the one that I got before, and it's booting up my virtual machine, and now we just have to wait to see what happens now. Okay, so now I have my logs here, my worker information is here, so it just started, as you can see. Now my build system information is setting up, so it gets some warming up, then it's disabling something, Xcode build version, everything's going well, and it's building. So you can see it's working now. Okay, and you see the command Xcode build scheme code sign done. Your build Xcode with exit 0. So we're in a green state. the job passed, and that's it. Okay, so it's built in passing, and that was all. So I think the problem you're having right now is that the new Xcode, if you downloaded the new Xcode, you have that issue. I just found it out today, and I'll post the GitHub repository in the description so you can copy and paste it and just replace the project name with your project name. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.